Hello, everybody. I received a request on the community forums to cover a topic about looking for technical patterns such as consolidation breakouts. And I wanted to cover real quickly how you might do that using this software. The first place I would start is I would go into this patterns box and I would look at a couple different patterns. The first one coming to mind would be the wedge strong, and that's a sideways consolidation type pattern. There are other things in this box as well that you might want to look at, maybe combined with each other or separately. Another one is the TL resistance and the TL support, which means that the price is pushing heavily against either a support or a resistance line. That would indicate possibly that it's getting ready for a breakout. We see that we've missed the move on this particular stock down below for allergen, but it would detect those things within a certain time frame. Other things that I would suggest is going over to the Bollinger Band tab, and you've got these crossover boxes here, and those give you the ability to determine the distance that the upper and lower Bollinger Bands are from each other, and whether or not you use the SMA, which is the original formulation of how Bollinger Bands worked, or the new exponential moving average based Bollinger Bands, either one, you just determine what percentage from each other those Bollinger Bands should be, and that should show you some squeeze activity or some consolidation going on. In addition to that, or separately, I mean, these all can be combined with each other or done separately. It just depends on how you want to go about it. EMAs and SMAs also have crossover capabilities. You can go in here and whichever SMAs or EMAs that you want to use, you can determine what percentage from each other they are, and that somewhat indicates a possibility of a breakout. And then finally, if you want to look for a price that's between Bollinger Bands or near a certain side of the Bollinger Band, you can go into this custom tab and you can select the price. It's about halfway down here. Really quick, grab it from this list. Here it is. And you can compare that either being greater than or less than EMAs, SMAs, Bollinger Bands, upper and lower. Those fields are all available in here to give you the ability to determine whether or not the price is above or below those points. So, well, for Bollinger Bands, of course, it's going to be in between the Bollinger Bands, but that more applies to the EMAs and the SMAs. So I just wanted to cover that as an additional possibility there. So combined with all these different options, and be sure on the custom tab that you tab out of the row that you defined for it to take effect. If you stay on that row, it doesn't recognize it until you leave the row. So be sure you tab out so that it recognizes that. So based on all those different types of criteria, that should help you identify squeeze opportunities or consolidation breakouts. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me at questions@eyeintheskyscreener.com. And also I invite you to attend a webinar event. They're held every Wednesday night, and you can find that information on the education tab or page of the website. So I hope to hear from you, and have a great night. Thank you very much.